Yes, good day. Happy Saturday to all of us, nationwide and worldwide. O kung sa Tagalog pa, buong mundo. Happy Saturday. So I just finished my cleaning and just the bathroom. I do it again because they take shower. And I don't know, I'm waiting for Celine. Okay, so now our Santa Claus is coming in our Christmas tree. Wow! Say thank you to Jido Kamal for giving us a gift of our Santa Claus to stay, to visit in our Christmas tree. Yeah. It's completely na. We have no more what's that? Merry Christmas bell in our door outside. So hello, I think this one is mixed sounds because there is charge, so but I don't want to make charged sounds para I can talk. Okay, thank you Santa Claus that you are here to visit in our house, in the home of Madam and Sir with Celine. Thank you again. Thank you for giving time to visit, to stay here until Christmas, until New Year. Okay? Wow, very nice. Because she's very, what's that talaga, yung preparation to put daw the Christmas tree. Oh, ayun, natabingin na naman yung stars namin kasi aroy, ginoo ko yung Christmas tree namin kasi half, ang laki yan, kumbaga 3 layers yan, kaso hindi na namin mailagay yung second. Ewan ko kung paano ginawa yun ni Madam. Kaya yun tuloy, hindi na siya pwedeng i-fixan, saka tinapon ko na lang din. So yun na lang ang natira. Yun. At least maganda naman din pinatong namin. So we can celebrate pa rin our Christmas soon is coming with the visit of Santa Claus. Ayan, si Santa Claus. So, picture na natin ito. Whole nagkasama. Hindi makasama kasi yung paan niya. Ang layo-layo ng ayan o. Siguro iusog natin to. Okay, ayan. Ang payat-payat na. Aray, ginako. Ang payat-payat. She's very slim. His legs is very, very slim. You know that my Santa Claus is very slim. Okay, maybe he's make diet also. Okay. So, ayan. That is our Christmas with Santa Claus. A Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of us, nationwide and worldwide. Christian or not Christian, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And shout out to all subscribers of mine. Thank you very much. Thank you talaga that you're spending time, effort, and while you are watching of my some of my videos or all of my videos. It depends naman kasi sa mga subscriber ko. And the some of them that you are only watching of my videos, don't forget to subscribe me. Uy, likes. Ayan na yun. Isas gano'n. Diyan na si Santa Claus. Si Little Boot Santa Claus. Si thank you kay Jido. Si thank you kay Jido. Uy, si thank you na to Jido.
What?
Si thank you to Jido.
Just what?
Don't make sounds muna kasi mag-copyright yun later when I finish video, okay? So si thank you muna to Jido. Si thank you to Jido. I told you.